Media Records, Lynn. Really? Media Records, this is... Media Records, this is Deirdre.
What? With my commitments.
But you got 2 arms.
Yeah, sure right.
Do you know, Frank, this is my second cup. Paper you ask me to buy every day. Where are you? Come and get it. Thanks for the memory, Emma.
A toast to you, Emma, and your sexy voice. Salute! Salute!
Salute.
Okay, Emma, on behalf of Sealed Media Test, we want to say 1, 2, 3. Happy Emma!
You can visit us, Emma, okay? We will really miss you. Bye. Love you.
Hi, Emma. Good luck and hope you have fun. Bye.
You know, this is the Standards Laboratory.
This is all work and no play.
Oh, what am I doing? Testing PDs and cheering pretty. Hey, let me out of here, let me out of here. I'm just kidding. I'm not sitting pretty, I'm working. Hey, let me out of here. Ngoyen, help me.
One, two, three.
What am I doing? Well, TQA, TQM, continuous improvement, all that good stuff.
Well, here is smoke for all of us.
Bye, Emma. Have a good time, and bring your smokes if you want them.
Bye, Emma. Thanks for helping us all those years. Bye, Emma.
Adiós, Emma. Felicidades.
Bye, Emma.
See you Christmas, Emma.
Merry Christmas.
You set it all for me. Goodbye, Emma. 再见.
Wish you a happy retirement. I'm lazy when it comes to writing in your book, but for myself, I enjoyed working with you. I enjoyed the envelopes you used to give me. I'm going to miss you a lot, and have a happy, long retirement. Thank you very much for letting me know you. Thank you.
1, 2, 3. The Smith Brothers wish you a happy retirement.
Yay!
We got it written on the board.
Go again?
Yeah.
Don't forget to make the copy. Let's do it again.
Hey, Emma. Welcome to research. What am I supposed to say?
Here we are working on this, working on plumbing. Got the pipe working yet? Almost. It's ready. Okay, we're gonna have to put it back up.
Attention lab and tech personnel, it is now 3:30.
Let's go! Happy retirement, Emma.
Emma, it's kind of sorry to see that you're retiring, but I'm happy that you're doing what you want to do. You and your husband Jess, I'm sure, are going to have a great time. Freedom, seeing your family, not having to come down here to the test lab. The main thing that I'd like to say is, Emma, you're the one consistent thing that I think we've had here since I've been with the lab.
Sorry to see you leaving. I know after 33 years, it's hard to believe that you made the decision to retire from the test lab here. I know one of my first impressions when I came here was hearing your cheery voice over the PA system. That's kind of been one of my lasting impressions of the test lab. Jack!
Sue.
Debbie.
Glenn.
Deirdre. Anna.
Laura. Mina.
Yvonne.
Kathy. Tamara. Nancy.
Susan.
Sabrina.
Steve.
Attention, Marvin Tech personnel, it is now 3:30. Am I doing right?